Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P emini futures. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. Today is Tuesday, May 31st, 2011. We had 3 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 12 ES ticks. The market opened up today at 1342.50. We had an opportunity to get short. First target was hit. Second target was not. We got -2 ticks for a reduced risk stop out. In the meantime, the market did continue on a sell-off after 2 negative news reports that came out, the consumer confidence and the Chicago PMI. We found support here at the Globex range low. Hit its head once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times before it eventually broke through in our no trade zone. Found support at the hourly range low. This is a no trade zone area between 11:30 and 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. We do not trade, primarily because of the lower volume and the higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we did get an opportunity to get long for a target 1 and target 2 of a total of 6 ES ticks. Shortly thereafter, we had another follow-on opportunity to get long for target 1 and target 2 for 8 ES ticks. So we had a total of 3 trades for a total of 12 ES ticks. However, we could not, I can't count this, but we did have a nice clean setup for an upside down head and shoulders, and I'll go ahead and describe that on a follow-on video. So stay tuned for a total of 18 ES ticks. Thank you for watching. For more advanced trade setups, to view the trading manual or join the Shark Den, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. Today is Tuesday, May 31st, 2011. As promised, this is my extended video in reference to an upside down head and shoulders pattern. This particular pattern started to develop right around 10:23 this morning. We tracked it closely. Even after we had the negative news come out on the consumer confidence in the Chicago PMI, we still saw strength in the market. So with that, we watched our first shoulder develop, upside down head and shoulders. Keep that in mind. We watched our head develop, and we started right in here. We started to say, hey, this is setting up for a head and shoulders pattern. Well, how do we know what a head and shoulders pattern looks like? Well, this is called a neckline. If you inverted this and flipped it around, you would see shoulder, head, shoulder. Flip it around, you'd be able to see what they're referring to. If you're not familiar with the head and shoulders pattern, you can certainly Google it on the internet, or please feel free to check it out on our website at TraderShark.com. Be happy to explain anything you have questions about. At this point, where do you enter? You enter at about, once you get a break of the neckline, this gives you permission to enter long. You can use additional indicators, which we do, in order to confirm entry, 1339.5. How do we know where our profit target is going to be? We simply measure from the tip of the head to the neckline itself. Make that a little darker. And we simply move that to the breakout period. Breakout price. Price broke out here. Make it a little easier for you to see. You can see price broke out here, and we drew this. Goodness, we drew this right at about 140. Didn't actually materialize until about 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Target was 1344 for a total of 18 ES ticks. Price just continued to push up to a high of 1344.75. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about this, please check us out at TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening.